But guys, let's have this discussion together. Guys, why is it that always when Enzo go to Argentina, we are seeing him playing excellent football? Look at their last game against Brazil. He even scored. He had rating more than all the Argentina players. He performed well there. But when he come to Chelsea, we are seeing different Enzo. Why? Guys, is it about the squad, the other players he is playing with at Chelsea, or about Maresca, or about Enzo himself? Note, Estavio will not play for Chelsea in this tournament. Estavio Williams will play for Palmares. Yes, information confirmed. But after that tournament, he will then come or return and join Chelsea. But this tournament, he will not play for Chelsea. He will play for Palmares. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about these two important news from Chelsea camp. The first one, a new transfer window for Chelsea. A new transfer window for teams that will participate in the FIFA Club tournament or competition coming when the season ends. The likes of Real Madrid, Manchester City, Bayern Munich, and Chelsea, and other South American teams, African teams, yes, other teams that will participate. FIFA opened a new transfer window for these teams. We'll come and look at it, or I will come and explain it better, yes, for us to understand. And some transfers information, yes, from Chelsea, Madueke, Aston Villa interested to sign him, and Newcastle also interested to sign him. Some fans are arguing about it. Chelsea will regret selling him. Some fans are saying that Chelsea should sell him. We'll come and talk about it. And Enzo Fernandez, guys, Atlético Madrid players are begging Enzo Fernandez. Please, Enzo, please come to Atlético Madrid. Please come. Without you, we can't win the Champions League trophy. Without you, we can't win anything. Please, Enzo. So come and look at that transfer also. Yes. And our best striker is back. The best striker in the world, Nicolas Jackson. Nicolas Jackson is back in training, guys. Who is better than Nunes? Who is better than Ziggy and Hodgson combined? Who is better than Solanke? The best striker in the world, Nicolas Jackson, is back. Everybody should be happy. Chelsea fans should be happy. Chelsea fans, let us be happy. Our best striker is back. Nicolas Jackson started training. When Nicolas Jackson was off or injured, it affected everybody. Chelsea fans will feel it. Will feel it. In fact, you can see the sensation through our bones. Our bones. So, guys, we'll come and look at that also. Yes, our best striker, Nicolas Jackson, is back. Yes, in training. So, let's start with the transfers. Let's start with Noni Madueke old. Newcastle interested to sign him, and Aston Villa also eyeing to sign Madueke. And if you can remember earlier, information came from Chelsea that Chelsea may sell 8 to 12 players to fund a striking signing. You want to sign a striker, Chelsea may sell the likes of Vega, the likes of Disasi, Badiashile, who and who, even Modric name is being mentioned there. Yes. So it seems Madueke name is also added to this list. So for that matter, Newcastle and Aston Villa, they are, yes, monitoring. If any day Chelsea come out official to sell him, they will approach, yes, to sign Madueke. And guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea sell Noni Madueke? Because some fans are comparing him to Mohamed Salah. If Chelsea sell him, we will regret it in the future. Some fans are saying that he is not Chelsea standard. Chelsea should let him go. That is a good move. That is a good transfer. That is a good deal. Chelsea should. Let me hear from you. Your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea sell Madueke? Guys, because Madueke, some days, let's be honest, at the beginning of this season, like, he was doing well. He even scored hat-trick, if I can remember, against Wolves. So he wasn't bad. But for me, my issue with this Madueke situation is from Maresca. I'm telling you. Because no matter how bad or good Madueke is playing, Maresca will keep on giving him the playing time. So for me, I will not put all the blame on Madueke. Yes, I know he is not good. I know. When it comes to behavior, attitude, he doesn't have it. But The football, the dribbling is there, but sometimes he overdo it. But as I was saying, I will blame Maresca here. Because some games, this guy will be playing rubbish. Maresca will not substitute him. Some games, he will not be on form. The next game, you will see Madueke starting, in which we have other good players on the bench. So, for me, I would say Maresca spoiled Madueke. He spoiled him for us. Yes. Apart from that, when we come to football, the guy is good. On the feet, Madueke can hold the ball closer to his feet. He can dribble. Yes. Take on his markers. As a winger, number one duty as a winger, footballer, your duty is to be able to take your marker. And when we come to that, Madueke is very good on that. But just that sometimes he is selfish. He wants to score instead of him to assist or cross the ball. So guys, for me, that is my opinion. Yes, I will blame little bit of Maresca for turning him to a spoiled child. Yes, a spoiled son. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you. Should Chelsea sell him or not? And let's come to Nicolas Jackson. Nicolas Jackson. Jackson is back. On his Instagram, yes, he posted that he is back. Yes, as we are speaking now in Cobham training. And this is the right time we even need everybody. Not only Jackson. Even Cole Palmer, we are wishing him all the best. Speed recovery. Yes. After the international break, all the matches that Chelsea will play, for me, I call it war. War. We don't need to lose 2 or 3 matches. Yes. If not that, our top 4 is in danger. If not that, we are not getting top 4. So, this is the right time. We need everybody, yes, to be available. I heard Madueke will also return after the international. Everybody, yes. Even if Maresca can play for Chelsea to get top 4, Maresca should wear Chelsea jersey. Yes. See, for me as a Chelsea fan, next season Chelsea not playing Champions League football, I will be super bored. I won't lie. And not only me, I think everybody, all Chelsea fans. Because this season we saw it. Our guys are making noise there. They are not even doing well in the Champions League. But because their teams are playing the Champions, they are making noise. Seeing Arsenal playing Champions League, Chelsea is not playing Champions League. Seeing Barcelona, seeing Real Madrid, Chelsea is not playing Champions League. And in fact, for your team to be called a big team, you must be playing Champions League. Forget. Champions League football is a must, important for any big team. So, Chelsea fans will be disappointed next season if Chelsea doesn't get top 4. I'm telling you. So, these matches, the remaining matches are very, very important, crucial. So, that is a good news that Jackson is back. Yes, sometimes he may not score, or sometimes he is missing the chances. But you will see the flow in our attack. You will see Jackson creating chances, having that creative runs. Even if he can't score, he will create opportunity for other players to score. Since Jackson injured up to now, we haven't seen the best of Cole Palmer. We haven't seen the best of Cole Palmer, so we can't say Jackson is not important. He is very, very important. Yes, let's hope even if he returns, he may start scoring. Yes, so that we can get top 4. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Jackson started training. What will Jackson bring again to this our squad for Chelsea getting top 4, guys? And let's come to Enzo Fernandez. In fact, guys, from reliable sources, yes, during the international break, Atlético Madrid players, some of Atlético Madrid players are begging Enzo Fernandez, Enzo, please come. Enzo, without you, we can't win the Champions League. Without you, we can't win the La Liga. Please come and be our savior. Come and be our Messiah. In fact, that they are begging Enzo Fernandez day and night. Yes, evening and morning. Yes, that Enzo should join Atlético Madrid. And from reliable sources again, Enzo is not going anywhere. Enzo Fernandez is not going anywhere. And that is good. We are not selling him. No. I heard Real Madrid also interested. He is not going anywhere. But guys, let's have this discussion together. Guys, why is it that always when Enzo go to Argentina, we are seeing him playing excellent football? Look at their last game against Brazil. He even scored. He had rating more than all the Argentina players. He performed well there. But when he come to Chelsea, we are seeing different Enzo. Why? Guys, is it about the squad, the other players he is playing with at Chelsea, or about Maresca, or about Enzo himself? When Enzo go to Argentina, he is good, excellent. But when Enzo come to Chelsea, as if like we have different Enzo from Argentina and different Enzo from Chelsea. I don't understand. I watched the highlight. I check everything. His statistics, his numbers, insane. Everything was green. The guy is doing well at Argentina. And not even this game. His Argentina games, he has always been doing good. But when he come to Chelsea, different Enzo. As I said, is it about Enzo himself? Maybe we may say if he come to Chelsea, he's not serious. He's not want to play to his best, or because of the manager he's playing with, or because of the squad. Yes, Charlie, we have to get the best of Enzo, because this kind of players, they are winners. You see Enzo, Cole Palmer, Caicedo, Kukurella. In few seasons to come, if Chelsea doesn't start winning something, they may change their mind to leave, because other important teams, big teams, they are monitoring him. Yes, waiting for them to come. So let's hope they pick form, or let's hope our whole squad pick form, so that we'll start winning something reasonable and get top 4 this season. So guys, let me hear from you about Enzo's situation. Yes, and also Kukurella goal against Leicester City, yes, in the Premier League, has been nominated for goal of the month of March. Yes, Kukurella goal, if you can remember, it was, yes, a shot, long distance shot. It was a down shot. So that goal has been nominated for March goal of the month for the Premier League. Let's hope he win it, yes. And let's come to the new transfer window for Chelsea. But before we move on, guys, please, just to remind you, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please, smash the like button and smash the subscription button. Turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming on this channel. Yes. The new rule, guys, from Ben Jacobs. FIFA open exceptional transfer window for Chelsea, which will start on 1st June to 10th June. 1st June to 10th June. And what is the importance of this new window? Yes, this new window means that from 1st June to 10th June, if Chelsea sign any player, he can join Chelsea official and even participate in the FIFA Club Trophy. You see, like Dilap, information saying that Chelsea interested to sign Dilap. So if it happened that within 1st June to 10th June, Chelsea signed Dilap, he can play for us. And if it wasn't this competition, normally transfer window don't open from 1st June to 10th June. Yes, normally, yes. So now Chelsea is eligible to register any player they sign from 1st June to 10th June. So if it happened that Chelsea signed Osimhen on 1st June to 10th June, Osimhen can play for us. Yes, the FIFA Club Trophy and beyond, and even continue in the summer and the Premier League games that will come. Yes, and information saying that Chelsea may bring Gehi, yes, during that period from 1st June to 10th June. So if it happened that at that time Chelsea signed Gehi from Crystal Palace, he can play for Chelsea official. And even Chelsea is working to include Kendrick Pius, the player Chelsea signed from Ecuador. If you can remember, Chelsea is working to include him in the squad. Yes, to play for the FIFA Club Tournament. So Santos, he is already Chelsea player. For him, he will join automatically. Yes, he doesn't even need the new transfer window to join Chelsea automatically. Whether from 1st June to 10th June or what and what, he is already Chelsea player. And not only Andre Santos, you see Vega, Chukwuemeka, all the players Chelsea send out on loan. For them, they can join Chelsea automatically and play the FIFA Club Tournament without even needing the 1st June to the 10th June. But note, the transfer window will close again on 10th June for 6 days and open on 16th June for the rest of the war. From 1st June to 10th June, the transfer window will close and then open again on 16th June for the rest of the war. So this 1st June to 10th June is only for teams that will participate in the FIFA Club Tournament. And from 10th June onwards, the transfer window will close for 6 days and then open generally for the rest of the world on 16th June. So guys, I hope I explained it better. Yes, the new exceptional transfer window for Chelsea and other teams that will participate in the FIFA Club Trophy. Let me hear from you under the comment section about this new transfer window and the players Chelsea link up to. Information saying that Chelsea may bring in a winger in that time frame, that time period, from 1st June to 10th June. Yes, and Santos will return. So many players will return. As I said, Chelsea is working to even register Payet, Kandre Payet, and that will be good so that we can see his performance. Yes, because he never even played, yes, in European football. He never tested European football, but so far he visited London 2 times, yes, just to know his new place to be. Yes, and I was to forget, note, Estavio will not play for Chelsea in this tournament. Estavio Williams will play for Palmeiras. Yes, information confirmed. But after that tournament, he will then come or return and join Chelsea. But this tournament, he will not play for Chelsea. He will play for Palmeiras. Chelsea was having the opportunity to register him, but from reliable sources, he will still play for Palmeiras. And I'm waiting to see, maybe during that competition, Chelsea and Palmeiras may meet. He will play against Chelsea. Yes, he will, because, as I said, he will play for Palmeiras. So guys, that is the information. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what we discussed in this video. And please don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the like button. When I see the numbers, give me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button, smash the subscription button. Take care. Take care. Peace.